Welcome back to Halftime Report on CNBC TV18. For now, the market is very quiet, but things are definitely picking up in the broader markets. So let's just take a look at that. So let's pose these questions to Sacchitanand Uttekar of Tradebulls, who joins us on the show. Sacchitanand, thanks for joining in. Your thoughts first on these insurance companies that are trading with handsome gains, whether it's SBI Life, HDFC Life. Do you see further up moves there? And what about the index? What are you looking at for the rest of the day?
Good afternoon, Sonia. Sonia, I think the market is showing some very strong signs of reversal here. Yesterday, we saw a strong recovery here. The base at around 19,300 was again reconfirmed. And the immediate hurdle that we are facing is somewhere close to around 19,480. But the way some of the constituents are placed, we do expect that eventually the Nifty could breach above that particular mark of around 19,500, and we may see the resumption of a directional up move soon. So the trajectory from here on, from a market perspective, remains bullish. We are of the opinion that the immediate base at 19,360 may not be violated during the day, and that's why we have been recommending building long positions here. From a weekly perspective, eventually we see this particular momentum getting carried forward towards 19,700 once 19,500 hurdle has been breached. When it comes to Nifty Bank, there's a very strong hurdle at 44,500. So probably the contribution may not come from the banking side, but there are some good signs that when you look at the performance of Nifty Mid Cap, which has been clearly scaling higher near to its lifetime highs, we have seen a strong reversal from Nifty Auto. And that's why we believe that eventually Nifty Bank may also resume this particular rally soon. But as of now, Nifty Bank remains more on the neutral to negative side. But when it comes to Nifty, I think the bias remains positive, and any declines towards 19,300, 360 should be utilized to create some long positions.
Okay, and what would your individual technical picks be in that case, Sacchitanand?
Well, we are liking the structure of Nifty Auto, and from that particular pack, we have seen a strong reversal in Maruti. Now the stock is again, showing signs of a reversal. We have already seen a good flat wave correction getting completed. The trajectory on the higher side is from a pullback perspective. We are looking at around 97.60. The stock displayed a hammer formation on its weekly scale, and the confirmation of the same has been done today. So we are expecting a very strong momentum play when it comes to Maruti. We are recommending building long positions here. Stop loss should be placed somewhere close to around 94.60 from here on a closing basis. We are expecting a move towards 97.60 in a week or so. The other stock which has been trending since yesterday, which we have also recommended to our clients, is Tata Communication. The stock has been locked into a very strong secular bull. Yesterday also we saw a fresh breakout from a bullish flag continuation pattern. The pattern is indicating a price target somewhere close to around 1870, 1880, and that's why we believe that any declines towards 1760 still will give us a good opportunity to create long positions here. The stop loss from here on should be placed somewhere close to around 1735 on a closing basis, and even here we are expecting a very strong rally, going forward in a week's time itself. So these are two stock ideas where we are recommending building long positions.
Okay, all right, Sacchitanand, always a pleasure. Thank you very much for talking to us and giving us your technical ideas.